So what's up everybody? Hoping you're all doing well. Guys, this is your girl Christine. I am back again with a very interesting video. Guys, it's been a minute since I posted a full video, and today guys, I want to do something and actually I believe that it's something that is very interesting. Guys, nimetoka job and I wanted to cook Githeri. You see here I have these are beans and this is maize. Hii ni maharagwe. So I wanted to cook Githeri, but I've realized that the maize that I have are very soft. They can't make a good Githeri. And so what I've decided, I want to just boil a little of this maize ya kupika mokimo. Wakikuyu can understand what I mean because it's very soft, very soft.
The way you make me feel, what a love, what a love. Let me tell you why I love you this much. Let me tell you why you are my treasure. Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Nikila la 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 la. Butterfly.
These will be cooked. And of course, I will use a pressure cooker. So guys, I will use a pressure cooker to boil this. And I've realized that this maize, the amount is very small. I can't do the vituko that I wanted to do. So this one I'll do a video. I wanted to do something. I wanted to prepare porridge using this maize. So it is either I do porridge with this maize or I boil the maize for mukimo. And of course, let us boil. So I would use a pressure cooker. Kuna wale watu kusema that they can't eat Githeri ati kama haijapikwa na moto, ati na nyungu, sijui na sufuria, sijui na gas. But I will show you how I do it using pressure cooker because the timing is the same as long as there is maize and everything else. So I still use the same time I would have used to cook Githeri. So let's boil this maize and see how it goes. Yeah, so nataka imanjivike somewhere here. When it is full, kuna hapo mahali naona here it is written full, but since whatever we want to boil is very little, so we're gonna not use it full. But of course guys, so what I want to do, unaona hii mahindi yote imehanga. This is what I was saying we can't use to cook Githeri. So of course guys, I have to remove this. This is what has made me not to, because iko very soft and the person mwenye alitoa na ile miao. Unaona tule tumeo. So unatuona ututoto toyero. Ukipika hiyo Githeri you can't even eat it. Haida kuwa mzuri. So guys, like I've said, this is what I will use. Of course, this is the housing, and This is the housing, and this is the pot that I will use. And let me tell you something, guys. This is one of the safest. Do I call it the safest? Because as long as you know how to close it, as long as you know how to close it, then you're good to go. Everything has been programmed here. So we have rice. You can cook rice, multigrain. You can do porridge, cake. You can bake with it, by the way. You can do ribs, chicken, meat, and of course you can do beans. So this is the button that I use to cook githeri. Of course, when you press it, it gives you 40, but I like doing like 50 or 60 minutes. So there is a plus button. So before it starts cooking, I need to adjust it to 1 hour. So guys, there we go. And the maize starts cooking. So I'll leave it there for 1 hour. One thing I love about this is that it cannot overcook your food, because as long as you've timed it correctly, it can't overcook your food, because immediately it is done with the settings that you've put, like 60 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever the number of minutes that you've put, it just goes off automatically and it keeps the food in warm mode, so it does not overcook. And people say that pressure cooker tend to overcook. Yes, if you don't put the correct minutes, of course it can overcook. But if you program it, if you put the right minutes, then it cannot overcook, because when immediately it is done, it stops cooking. So I'll wait for 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, and then we will see the end product. See you after 60 minutes. So guys, here we are still cooking our maize. So I need to make sure that this knot over here, it's a valve, it's well put, you see. So now make sure that imelalia vizuri. Otherwise, if you don't, it will start releasing the steam, and that is not our aim. Our aim here is to make sure that all the steam is left in. So right now it's okay. Unaweza sikia that the steam is not coming out. So yeah, it is still at 60. You know, people have bought this gadget, and actually this is an E1 pressure cooker. Most of the people keep on asking me, why is it that it's not changing the time? Because definitely it's supposed to go down from 60 to 59, going downwards. First of all, one thing that you should know, if you're using this gadget, first of all, it has to boil. That is, the water inside the gadget has to boil first. After the water has started boiling, it needs to form steam inside. So that is why it takes like 10 minutes or less, depending with the amount of water that you've put, to boil. That is to boil and start forming the steam inside. Once the steam has been formed, or once it starts forming the steam, that is the time now you will realize the minutes starts decreasing, that is going down. The minutes will start going down as from 59 to 58 until it goes up to 0. But first of all, it needs to form the steam inside before it starts decreasing the minutes. So let's see. Right now it has started forming the steam. The steam is already full inside. You've seen that it has started coming out. So I believe in just few minutes time, it will start now deducting the minutes. So let's see, guys. Yeah, so guys, this is what I was saying. You see now it was 60, but right now it is at 58. So immediately it forms the steam inside. Now the minute starts decreasing. So right now we are at 58. So it will deduct like this, 57, 56, 50 until it is at 0. When it goes to 0, then your food is ready. And of course, it gets off automatically. So let's see. Right now you see it is at 57. So in a view it will be at 56. So it keeps on deducting. And therefore guys, finally the mahindi imeshaiva. 60 minutes are down, so ikishaisha 60 minutes, this mode ni keep warm mode. So you see there is keep warm mode. You can cancel if you want to cancel. So guys, you see, so immediately it goes down, the 60 minutes goes down, so it keeps the food warm. So hata kama maybe you are cooking rice and maybe you had traveled, itazima tu and it will stay at this mode. So there is no danger that something can happen, unless if the connection of your electricity is burned, that is the wiring of your house is burned, then that can cause something bad. But if it is well done, I don't see any danger. So let's see. So you hear, so to release the excess steam. And of course, when I'm cooking, after 60 minutes, I normally give it like some few minutes to ensure that the food is completely cooked. Then after that, I need to, and of course you need to put it over, because even if you release when it is on, bado tu itaendelea to form steam. So it will never release everything. So you release the excess. You can use a spoon, but there is no danger because seti komoto sana. So usirelease immediately after 60 minutes zimeisha. You can give it time to settle and also to remove excess steam, so that when you are touching this valve, there is no excess steam. There is no too much steam that can burn you. So naona I release until you hear this, the final. Unasikia? Because ikiwa na steam, ukijaribu kufungua iwezi funguka. But right now that it has no steam, it opens up so easily. Hebu nipe kijiko. It open up so easily. So these were maize, and we've cooked them for just 60 minutes. So I'll show you. Unaona zimeiva tena vizuri sana. So nice actually, because of the few minutes that I've left them there, zimeiva vizuri. So the same number of minutes that I've used to cook moto, you see, yeah. So that is how you can use this gadget, the so-called electric pressure cooker. And of course this is E1 make. I've stayed with this electric pressure cooker for, this is the fifth year now. Yes. So it is one of the most efficient pressure cookers that I've used. It's almost 5 years now, and it is the best. So in case you're looking for this gadget, please just write at the comment section that you're interested, and I will get you one. This is an 8 liters electric pressure cooker. That is, the pot is 8 liters. We also have 60 liters, that is 6 liters. And guys, you get this gadget, you get the best. It can cook different types of food. Like I said, I talked of the rice. You can cook rice, but when you're cooking the rice, you ensure that it is 1 cup is to 1 cup of rice. Then there is multigrain. This is where I used to cook ndengus. It takes only 15 minutes. Then of course there is porridge. You can use it to cook porridge. You can also use it to bake. You know, once you press it, it will give you the number of minutes that baking should take. Then you can use it to cook ribs, then chicken, meat as well, and beans. This is where there is beans, is where I used to cook githeri. It is normally set at 40 minutes, but you can add up to 1 hour. So I normally do 1 hour. So guys, if you're looking for this gadget, please look no further. Just write at the comment section and I will have you sorted. Thank you guys. So how is the meal? It's nice, very soft, very nice.
Yeah.
Give your reviews. Zikonje, very soft,
yes.
Very well cooked.
Yeah.
Can you give us 2 advantages of using that? Just 2.
It is easy to cook.
Easy to cook. It's very fast. It takes like 1 hour to cook githeri.
And he makes food to smell
nice.
Yeah,
the food smells nice. And by the way guys, let me tell you something secret. Those who are lovers of soup, if you use this gadget to cook soup, my friend, hey, wacheni niwaambie, you will never take another soup. It cooks soup so nicely. Its soup is so much tasty, and those who have those who have bought this item, they have used it to cook soup. You can attest to that. It has very sweet soup, guys. Very good soup. So if you're there and maybe you like soup, this gadget will have you sorted. So please, if you want it, just let me know at the comment section. Tell me that you want it and I will have you sorted. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Bye-bye.
If this is the first time you're watching this video or you're landing to this channel, we love you so much. Kindly subscribe, be part of us, and from us guys, we gotta tell them goodbye.